Now these aren't as tense, I just want to go back through and see if there's anything that I can just put pressure on and get it to release. Right here. All that actually feels fine. Okay.
Well, are we gonna run him around a little bit?
Yeah, if you want to see him just kind of move and just so he can chill out a little bit.
Let me pull this whole
Yeah.
this way.
You come out holding it up.